Hello students. Today in this video we are going to talk about classic literature. Has any friend ever referred to any book, novel or a poem as a classic literature? क्या होता है classic literature? आपने शेक्सपियर का नाम सुना होगा, मैकबेथ, देन आपने चौसर का नाम सुना होगा, जॉन मिल्टन. So there are many great writers whom we refer as classics. Now let's see what exactly classic means. Classic is a set of written works which have maintained their popularity, who have maintained their work, their art from that time till this time. They have been immortal with the passage of time. Now we'll talk about their features, their exceptional storytelling. They have a very different story. Like if you see Chaucer, prologue, उसका एक prologue में just introduction है characters की, but इतनी जबरदस्त introduction है, storytelling है कि पढ़ने वाले अपना interest हटा ही नहीं पाते. It is actually how the exceptional way in which the author tells his stories. Then we talk about rich character development. There are many characters and some characters become immortal. Cleopatra आज भी एक epitome है for beautiful women. Such was her character. Hamlet, Macbeth, especially Lady Macbeth, these characters are immortal because their author had developed them in such a way. That is why they are classic. And then profound exploration of universal themes. They don't talk about petty issues. They talk about themes which were relevant to the whole world, and they are relevant even now. So, come let's study the features of classic literature. The first point is timelessness. As I said just now, those facts, those ideas and thoughts, they were relevant at that time and they are relevant even today. So they are timeless issues. Next is universal themes. The themes which they picked, the classics, they are relevant even now and everywhere in the world. If you talk of love, if you talk of hatred, if you talk of any other vices or good values, they are universal throughout the world. Next is profound characters. Their characters were not light, they were very profound, strong people, kings, men of great importance. So, they already impressed people with their position. The next is cultural and historical significance. बहुत सारी wars का reference आता है, बहुत सारे revolutions का reference आता है in classic works में, and we can relate to that. So now, next we'll talk about enduring popularity. हेमलेट जितना तब पॉपुलर था उतना ही आज भी पॉपुलर है because people loved the character. Those characters, they have endured their popularity even with the passage of time. शेक्सपियर ने जो 400 साल पहले लिखा था वो आज भी उतना ही relevant है. People enjoy reading him. Okay, now I hope the concept of classic is clear to start with. So now there's a task for you. You have to classify the novels as classic or non-classic. The list is here. Now these are the novels given. You have to identify them as classic or non-classic. but you have to state the reason also along with it. I hope the concept of classics is clear to you. We'll further go deep into the classics. For that, stay tuned with us for our further videos. Till then, happy learning.